Hello, how is everybody doing? I hope you had a great and amazing trading day. Let's go ahead and look at over some stocks and see what we have on watch for tomorrow. First of all, here we have SPY. All right, let's look at the daily. This is the daily here on my left hand side. This is my 4 hour and this is my 1 hour. So today on the SPY we closed on an inside bar, right? So tomorrow we are looking to play the break to the upside, the break to the downside, and play that momentum. So we did close in with green volume. All right, the momentum. All right, again we got green here, so it is looking kind of bullish. The 4 hour here looking to get above the EMAs here. That's why my candles are turning different color. And the 1 hour, again, we held up pretty well here in this area of consolidation for most of the day. You could see we went back and forth. We touched the top, we touched the bottom, and top and bottom, and that was pretty much the day range today. So tomorrow, what do we have to do? Well, tomorrow we have to break this 446.30, and let's go ahead and mark that really quick. If we can break above this tomorrow, all right, we have room to 449 here on the hourly, and then we break down this trend right here, then we have some more room up here on this 4 hour chart. So but this trend right here, it's going to be a bit resistance. So we can get above that. Now we have room to the 450, 53, all the way to 458 in the coming day or two. So keep that on watch. Let's see if the markets can continue up tomorrow on SPY. And let's go ahead and look at the Q. All right, so Q's also closed at an inside bar. We have a squeeze going on here. They close with some nice green volume here. Again, look at the range today, not much. All right, so 458 is the area here on the 4 hour that is going to be of some resistance. So that's going to be a potential target here around this range for tomorrow for the Qs. If we can break above, well, then we got 460 in the coming day or two. So keep that on watch. All right, what am I watching for tomorrow? Tomorrow I am watching UPST, had great earnings. You can see that big run after hours after consolidating just back and forth. I think that's what most stocks did. They consolidated just around this range today, kind of a choppy day. I think the best tradings came out at the open, but there were opportunities, and we have this nice squeeze going on here on UPST. And you can see right after hours that thing fired and shot up to the upside. So we closed at what, 134, 135, and we have some room to go. So tomorrow, let's see if we can get some type of bounce, maybe on this area and bounce back. Maybe pre-market will come and hit this 120 area and then bounce back. We'll see what happens. We did break above this resistance you see here on the 4 hour. You can see we had multiple times of that we couldn't break. And look at my alert. We were in an inside weekly bar, and I'm gonna take those alerts off because we already broke above it today. So we broke above. I was looking for a break. Unfortunately, earnings just destroyed the break with the squeeze going on. But yeah, we were consolidating very nice within this wedge here. Very nice. And so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. All right, so I'm watching UPST for tomorrow, as well as we're also gonna, I'm also watching BABA for tomorrow. Give me 1 second here. Okay, I like what BABA is doing here. We have a squeeze forming on BABA. You see it right here. It's a nice squeeze. We have momentum, okay, to the shifting to the upside with some nice green volume. Put this one on your watch list of and look at this trend. All right, trend. Let me make this bigger so you can see it. All right, look at this beautiful trend here on the daily. Just what is going on? Okay, beautiful trend. Rejected here, and now we are looking like we want to get through it. But look at the squeeze forming, green volume. We want to shift momentum to the upside. We're crossing over EMAs. It just looks good, guys. 128 break, and this thing's gonna go to the moon. All right, let's put my bar there. All right, so this looking really good. Let's put, so keep that on watch. I like what it's forming here on the 4 hour. All right, also on the 1 hour we are in uptrend. Okay. So beautiful on BABA. And then Airbnb also had great earnings today. Let's look at that. Right, you could see I've been talking about ABNB, yeah. As soon as we got this, let me clean this up so we can see a little bit better. Okay, so since we started getting above here the EMAs, all right, I brought it up. If you've been subscribed to my channel, if you're not, go ahead and consider subscribing and liking. It'll help me out. But I told you a couple videos back when Airbnb popped up that we had room to run 176, and of course we did that intraday with earnings, just busted through, and we're at went all the way to 194.80 and closed at 187. So looking good. So tomorrow, possible, you know, some type of, you know, reverse and hold support and bounce back. So beautiful uptrend here on the 4 hour. Looking mighty good here. Airbnb. So look for some sort of pullback on support and you know, take a trade on Airbnb. So that one on must watch for tomorrow. Let's see, Mr. DWAG didn't do much today. It's on a downtrend here on the hourly. Keep this one on watch. This one could take off. Let me clean this chart. All right, so a nice consolidation going on here in the 4 hour. We can come and test this 97 area again. So we'll see if we can break this downtrend. Okay, right here on the 4 hour and move to the upside. If we come and test if we come and test, you know, here in the next couple of days or next week, this would be a great area for a bounce. But keep a watch for a break of trend here, right? And when we get above, right, with some nice green volume here on the daily, just like when we called out this one. Remember, you're watching one of, if you watch my video, we called this out, this right here. All right, we called it out, and I said watch for a reversal with target right here, and we came to hit it. We got a flat bottom look, so keep an eye on that. A firm formed an insight. No, it's not an insight candle. It's a doji. Just looking through my scanner here. Okay, Facebook, not really interested in day trading it, but it is holding support here. It did grab some shares to swing it. So with the stop loss, anything below that low, but candle has to close below that. All right, what else do we have? Oh, SPCE, guys, Virgin Galactics. Look at massive volume today on Virgin Galactics. SPCE, put it on your watch list. This one has been a big winner for me in the past. Okay, so let's watch that. Let's put it on big screen here. Why? Okay, so look at this right here. Look at this right here, right? This huge big candle with some nice volume. Again today, all right, this candle here, we were going above the EMAs, and it was yellow most of the day, but we are crossing the next candle for sure. We're gonna be above them, so watch tomorrow. We can break above and continue. This one has room to 14 and 20 area. All right, so we had a nice squeeze going on here, and we squeezed to the upside. And it did have news too that starting tomorrow, I believe, you can start buying tickets. Let me see where the news is. Open to purchase tickets for future space flights reservations. Okay. Yeah, so you can start buying tickets as soon as tomorrow, I believe. So keep this one on watch, guys. This one has been shorted heavily, okay? And it's gonna start squeezing out some shorts here as we move up, and it could move up very, very nicely. This one has had some nice gains in the past. Okay, look at this big move. Look at this big move here, and this one too. All right, so this one can move multi-day runner once it gets going, so keep this one on watch. All right, SE. Did bounce there. Not really interested on that one. AMC consolidating, guys. I know a lot of people like AMC. This one's consolidating right here in this area. We're above EMAs, momentum to the upside. You know, we need to get above this so we can run. Look at the 4 hour. All right, we're near again that 20, and once we break that, we do have room to that 22. Look at that upper trend line there on the 4 hour. So watch that continuation of momentum to the upside on AMC. So yeah, you'll see that 2206 and 2209 on the daily. So those would be a nice target. So keep that on watch if you like AMC. LAC, beautiful. I've been talking about this one too. As soon as we broke downtrend here, we also got started getting above EMAs. We started getting some the momentum to the upside. We got some nice green volume. Look at where I have my target there. Let's clean it up a little bit. Your old drawings, and let's move it a little bit to the right. We're almost there. Okay, so that's target right there. We're almost there. Okay, so great swings. If you caught them at the break of trend, right? Nice consolidation. This first bar, usually the following bars allow you, all right, an entry. And your stop loss could be the bar before that. Okay, so very nice there. NVDA, let's see how that one's looking. Okay, NVDA guys, we do need to break above this trend line here. We've been testing it, rejected over here, and now we're testing it again. Once we can get above, now we have room to the 300s. Okay, so we need to get above that. Once we get above, now I'm really bullish on NVDA. So let's make a line here. We need to break above this area, because that was old support and now it's resistance. So once we can get above that, all right, now we can start driving to the upside. TTD, look at this one, also breaking downtrend on the daily, looking pretty here. We can break 85, we can have room to 91. Okay, so we can get above this area right here, room to 91. And then here on the daily, we got what, 98. So keep that on watch. Lift, okay, lift, bouncing off this 4-hour trend, looking pretty. Green volume, momentum to the upside, held very well here. All right, then this trend line, this is the trend line that some of the stocks still need to break on the daily. But again, we break trend line, test trend line, and this is what I always teach the members in the Discord. Every time we break trend, we almost come to test trend most of the time, and this is an entry right here, and then we go back. So what else? Coin, again, look at that. All right, break trend. Oh, I didn't mark it. Look at that. So I said break trend, test trend, and then we'll move to the upside. Let me clear that up. So there it is. Now we're moving up. 4-hour came and tested this area. Beautiful. Look at that uptrend. These are good entries. All right, if you like to play the dip, but don't just get on dips. Get on dips on support, and then you move to the upside. I made a video here. If you come back to it, I'm like, as soon as we break this trend, we'll move to the upside. All right, 217 target right there. Watch that one. And then our good old friend Tesla, and we're gonna end with that. Okay, so Tesla, some consolidating going around here in this range. We do have one squeeze bar going on there. We did come to 835, now back to 918. So we need to break above this resistance right here. This is tough. Once we can break above that, then we got some room to run. So that is pretty much it, guys, for today. If you didn't watch this right now, I know it's kind of late, you can watch it in the morning. This is what we're looking at. I'm thinking about also coming in live in the morning and going over some setups that are setting up for the morning, but I don't know yet. The reason that it's hard for me is because I drop off my kid at school in the morning, and it'll be a little tough. But let's see, maybe I could do 15 minutes, just really quick, of what's moving, what's going on, what are we looking at, and go from there and see how that works out. So I'm gonna be maybe maybe this week or next week, I'll try it out, see how it works, and then we can go from there. So other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your family, your friends that want to get into trading. I keep it simple, supporting resistance along with momentum, and very well tuned, easy to understand, and set your targets. If you like that, and you even want to join us, click on the link below and join us on Discord. I trade live with the traders there on voice, and I am live 30 minutes before the market and giving you ideas, and I give you when I'm in an entry and when I'm out as well. So it's cool. Thank you so much for tuning in. So I'll see you guys mañana. Other than that, have a blessed night. Enjoy the rest of the night with your family or your friends, and I'll see you. Adios. Bye-bye.